Some might say that we are all connected. But in our view, our common origins make us integrated. Integrated in every aspect. Aspects that matter, like nature and people. Linked together to form a mutual connection. A connection where each of us is useful to the other. It's our right to use it. It's our job to preserve it. And it's our code to be responsible for it. We believe that great ideas and constant application underlie every step of our production at every level. Performed by people who care to give their best at every stage. From raw material to finished paper. Manufactured by our own production line. The line doesn't stop there. The port is our final destination. But the start of another journey, spreading quality products across the globe. And that's why we say integrated. Welcome to Indah Kiat Perawang, an internationally recognized paper manufacturer, a subsidiary of APP, the world's leading pulp and paper company, and a source of national pride. Founded in 1982, Indah Kiat Perawang has responded to the widespread demand for paper, both locally and internationally. Our fully equipped production facilities and integrated production process, from treatment of raw materials through every stage of manufacturing to final distribution, has enabled Indah Kiat Perawang to offer our customers integrated solutions under a single roof. One aspect of this integration is the creation and participation of a creative and dedicated workforce. From its strategic location in Sumatra, Indonesia, we manufacture a wide range of quality paper products. Come with us and experience a smarter, more efficient, more respectful approach to pulp and paper production. Join us as we tour the production mill. This is where the manufacturing process begins. For planting, we select only the finest seedlings, choosing saplings for optimal growth, tendering to them in a well-nurtured nursery, right through to planting. As well as meeting the demand for raw paper, this method of cultivation is also a clear example of the responsible approach adopted by Indah Kiat Perawang in sustainable forest exploitation. During the next stage of the process, the raw material is screened, cleaned and refined before being fed into the pulp machine. This raw pulp is then processed in the paper machine and turned into various types of paper. Indah Kiat Perawang owns and operates 4 pulp machines and 8 paper machines. This raw pulp is then processed in the paper machine and turned into various types of paper. Indah Kiat Perawang owns and operates 2 pulp machines and 6 paper machines. Each stage of production is checked and tested to ensure conformance with Indah Kiat Perawang's exacting quality standards. A number of critical parameters must be met to ensure a consistent yield of paper to the highest level of quality. This commitment is supported by and reflected in the passion of our people. and their dedication to their work. The final stage is paper size control. During this stage, the paper is cut to order and the required quality is achieved. Indah Kiat Perawang also owns and operates a converting plant, which manufactures product packaging. After being packaged, the paper is stored in our storage facility. With a total area of 115,560 square meters, the facility is capable of storing over 60,000 tons of paper. To support distribution, Indah Kiat Perawang also operates its own mid-size port, from where the finished products are dispatched to over 30 countries worldwide. Indah Kiat Perawang continues to enjoy rapid growth. Our products can be found throughout the world, including Asia, North and South America, Australia, Africa and Europe. Proof that Indah Kiat Perawang's paper products are able to compete on the global market. Indah Kiat Perawang has been recognized for its commitment to quality by both national and international institutions, as shown in its ISO 9001-2008 Management System certification by DNV and the ISAGA DIN ISO 970-1995 certificate. At Indah Kiat Perawang, we place the utmost importance on the proper disposal of waste products. The company is a proponent of the Clean Development Mechanism, which aims to reduce energy emissions and energy consumption in accordance with the standards set out in the ISO 14001 standard for environmental management systems. Since our operations rely heavily on a steady supply of electricity, the company has its own electricity generation system, serving the electricity needs of both the entire operation and the surrounding neighborhood. As part of our commitment to protecting the environment and countering the effects of climate change, Indah Kiat Perawang operates in an environmentally friendly manner and actively promotes greening programs in the vicinity of the factory. We recognize that our people are our most valuable asset. That's why we take care to prioritize their welfare, and that's why the company has constructed a health clinic, canteen, guest house, employees' mess, cooperative, sports centre, mosque and many other facilities. Indah Kiat Perawang always actively strives to develop and empower the local community. We offer local training programs, using the talents of our people and excess production material to develop the local communities and ensure that they can meet their daily needs. This includes efforts to preserve siak weaving as a valuable and unique traditional craft. For Indah Kiat Perawang, our effort to build prosperous local communities is an essential part of what we stand for. By marrying the exploitation of natural resources with the dynamism of our human resources, at Indah Kiat Perawang we have harmoniously created a series of paper products that we can all be proud of. This is what we do. This is who we are. This is the integrated world of pulp and paper making. This is Indah Kiat Perawang.